मेरे प्यारे बच्चों नमस्ते. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू रीड क्लास सेकेंड इंग्लिश बुक मैरीगोल्ड, यूनिट 3, पेज नंबर 51. प्लीज ओपन पेज नंबर 51. Let us read and answer. Let us read and answer. A big wind. A big wind. A, B-I-G, big. W-I and a wind. I-S-S. B-L-O-W-I-N-G, blowing. L-O-O-K, look. T-H, the. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. A-R-E-R. F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. T-H, the. W-I and a wind. C-A-N, can. B-L-O-W, blow. T-R-E-E-S, trees. D-O-W-N, down. I-T-8. C-A-N, can. B-L-O-W, blow. H-O-U-S-E-S, houses. D-O-W-N, down. M-Y, my. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. I-S is. O-L-D, old. O-L-D, old. W-I-L-L, will. I-T-it. C-O-M-E, come. D-O-W-N, down. Now I am reading it for you. Let us read and answer. Let us read and answer. A big wind, a big wind, a big wind is blowing. A big wind is blowing. Look, the leaves are flying. Look, the leaves are flying. The wind can blow trees down. The wind can blow trees down. It can blow houses down. It can blow the houses down. My house is old. My house is old. Will it come down? Will it come down? No, 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 no. Now I am reading the sentences given below. Are these sentences right or wrong? आपको चूज करना है whether it is right or wrong. The wind can blow down a house. The wind can blow down a house. Wrong. W-R-O-N-G, wrong. Wrong means galat. Incorrect. Number 2. The wind can blow down a field. The wind can blow down a field. No, 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 no. It is wrong. 3. The wind can blow down a child. The wind can blow down a child. No. It is wrong. The wind can blow down a tree. The wind can blow down a tree. It is right. Please tell, it is W-R-I-T-E or R-I-G-S-T? It is R-I-G-S-T. Right. Right means correct. And W-R-I-T-E, right. Right means likhna. Right means likhna. So it will be R-I-G-S-T, right. The wind can blow down a river. No, 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 no. It is wrong. It is wrong. It is wrong. Now, my dear, this page is over. Please read it well. Please read it well. Thank you. Jai Hind. जय भारत.